Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Princess Kimberly P. Mendoza. I was born on August 29, 1995, and I am 29 years old at this time. I am married, blessed with 2 children, ages 10 years old and 3 years old. My highest educational attainment is college undergraduate. I work as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 1 year and 3 months. I went home because of COVID pandemic. I have served 1 couple and 1 child ages 3 years old. And also I work as housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years. I have served 1 couple and 1 teenager ages 15 years old. My main duties in my previous employer is to take care of their child, feed her, take her in bath, change her clothes. I choose Hong Kong because it's close to the Philippines and the government in Hong Kong gives equal right. I will make sure the safe environment for the children by choosing the doors and window always keep sharp object away. The important thing to carrying a baby is regularly I check the diaper if it's wet, feed her on time, and give medicine on time. I need this job for my 2 kids and I love to work and I will respect and obey as my employer. And I will finish the 2 years contract. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir.